Wildcat assistant at the ready.
Hold this pole, would you, son?
Holding a pole, my specialty. This doesn't... Ah! It was him!
Maybe Wildcats isn't for you. We can go home, watch a movie.
No, I'm the ultimate outdoor cat. I can do it. You'll see. Fish cakes! I've lost the scent back to camp. Dad? Dad? Anyone? Oh!
Oh, Flix. I looked everywhere. Where did you go?
I followed my nose.
I was worried, Flix. I'm just glad you're okay.
All wildcats to the catenators. Repeat. Can all wildcats make their way to the catenators?
Time to find out if Wildcats is really for me or not.
The fastest cat to climb their tree will receive a Wildcats Wilderness badge. Ready? It's the Catinator, not the Doginator.
The Doginator? Yeah, I'm a dog. I need to be a wildcat, the dog way. I'm dog of the world!
Oh, rats! Not again!
Wow, my son the Wildcat.
Whoa, Flix, well done!
Awesome!